Welcome to the channel. This upload will be Monday Motorbike Gateway 500 watt model. Before the test ride, I'll do a quick spec and a walk around. Retail price of this bike is about $2,400. It's a class 2 low speed throttle assist electric bike. 1 year unlimited mileage warranty. This model is a 2020 model. I have about 240 miles. It's a great e-bike. I don't have any issues so far. It has fat tires. It's a rear hub motor, 48 watts, 500 watts, but Fang motor. I have the aluminum mag wheels, front and rear LED lights, front and rear disc brake. It has 2 dual suspension hydraulic shocks, front forks with aluminum alloy stabilizer. And let's get started on the test ride. I'll do a few pass by. My height is 5.8, 176 centimeters, 165 pounds, and 75 kilograms. The road that I'm riding on is pretty flat. There's no hills. I forgot to get the measurement for the elevation. There's probably not a lot in this area. I found the answer online. For this area, it's about 4 to 12 feet above sea level. Riding on normal mode, heading toward the sun. It's a clear blue sky today. A little bit chilly. Might be a little bit difficult to see the LCD screen on the e-bike. The true mileage is on the phone. Doing about 16 miles per hour on the average speed, or 25.7 kmh. The LCD screen on the bike is set on miles per hour. On average, it's about 5 to 8 miles per hour off from the bike speedometer. Normal mode speed setting on the bike is 21 miles per hour. Going under the bridge is a better view of the LCD screen. I'll also do a ride back, riding away from the sun. This road is a back road. There's an express train station to the left, and there's only a few houses back here. Not a lot of cars going by. Do a stop and start. I'll change the setting for this ride. Put it on power mode, max setting. Full throttle, no pedaling. top speed on the speedometer on a bike is about 35 miles per hour. But the true speed and actual speed is about 25 miles per hour. So the faster you go, the more the speedometer is off. It's about 8 to 9 miles per hour off. I'll do one more run going back at full speed. Top speed is about 24 to 26 miles per hour. It's a great bike. I enjoy riding it. It's a good exercise with pedal assist. You can get many miles off the bike. Great riding to work. I don't have to look for a parking space. Build quality is pretty good. I don't have any issue. Only the brake squeaking. And thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.